With Chef J up. Today I'm gonna show you guys how to make a lentil soup or a lenteja soup. It's very rich in fiber and it's very rich in protein and iron. So let's get straight to it. These are the ingredients you're gonna need for this tasty recipe. I'm gonna go ahead and list them down real quick. The pan has been heated up already. Now all we're gonna do is just add the bacon. You do not need to add any oil because, as everyone knows, bacon excesses a lot of oil. You want to let this get crunchy and crispy before you start adding everything else. So now after your bacon is nice and toasted and brown like this, you want to go ahead and add the onion and the tomato. Just a little bit of onion, man, not a lot because you're not making onion soup, alright? So just a little bit to kick in some flavor. And you're also going to add in the lentils or the lentejas. And you're going to let them toast, but you're not going to remove any of the oil. This is the perfect way to sneak in the goods up in there. Celery, I know a lot of people do not like celery. Well, you just hide it up in there. Then you add in the carrots. Then our water. And voila, here we have our lenteja soup. Let's fix us a plate. Enjoyed this recipe. Comment down below if you actually enjoyed this video and actually got to try my recipe. So make sure that you guys subscribe and give this a big thumbs up. Till laters.